In this tutorial video, you will learn how to display the attribute table of Vector layer. In the Layer box, click the Open Attribute Table option from the options of the Vector layer to open the attribute table. In the table that opens, the data in the layer is listed with its attributes. There are some options about the attribute table. There are various actions in the selection menu, such as selecting all, deselecting all selections, and selecting filtered ones. In the Actions menu, there are options to delete save, show save, change color, create chart, and show changes. Various download options are available in the Export menu. The attribute table can be downloaded in Excel, PDF, JSON, CSV formats. Geometries within the layer can be downloaded in different formats. Different options are available when downloading geometries, such as all saves, selected saves, or filtered saves. We can make text and spatial queries within the layer with the options in the Query menu. The Settings menu contains the table column settings. Actions such as deleting existing columns or adding new columns can be done. Column-based calculations and geometric calculations can be applied within the layer with the options in the Calculations menu. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.